So we have intervals. Okay. So we have 4 kind of intervals. First is A comma B. These are known as open brackets. Okay. It consists of all the real numbers such that A is less than X is less than B. And if I want to make this on a real line, this is my A, this is my B. A and B are not included. Therefore, I am making a hollow circle on A and B. Open का मतलब होता है नहीं included है. So this is an open interval. It is open at both the ends, A and B. Okay, इसको open interval बोलते हैं. If you look at A comma B, this is going to consist of all the real numbers such that A less than equal to X less than equal to B. So ये रहा A, ये रहा B. Equal to का sign है because A और B included हैं. These are known as square brackets. Okay, or close brackets. So I am going to make solid dots here and include this line. So this is a closed interval. अब जो neither open nor closed हैं, they are of this: closed at A, open at B, open at A, closed at B. This is going to look like A included, B not included, इनके बीच का सब कुछ. And this is going to be A not included, B included, everything including between these two elements. Okay. And if I want to write this as a set, this is going to be X in R such that, अब यहाँ पे R real numbers है, relation नहीं है. Okay. Such that A less than equal to X less than B. X B से छोटा है. Okay. B के बराबर नहीं है. और इसमें X belonging to R such that A less than X is less than equal to B. So this is how we write intervals. I hope this made sense.